Good morning, everybody. May 21st here. I got a sale. Actually, this is from the return that I told you guys about. I ended up getting that return yesterday, and I ended up relisting it back and changed the description. I mean, well, not change it, but just added to it. But today it sold again, so I guess it's good. But it didn't sell for the same price. Before it sold for $49.99 plus shipping, but the buyer sent me a offer for $30 plus shipping, and I accepted that. So it's not the same, but the thing is, the good thing, I mean, it still sold again. So I mean, I lost money on that, but it's not a big huge loss. So because for the free return, so I had to pay for the shipping. So all in all, kind of balanced out a little bit, but it's still a good thing. So that's the only thing that I got so far. So I'm working on, about to get started to let me show you. About to start getting ready to start listing these ashtrays. I haven't listed them yet, and I had them for probably about a week now. So I'm just now finally taking them out the box and about to get to start listing these. So I'll see how this goes. There's gonna be a few more listings, and the more listings I get, the more sales I end up having. So with all that said, I'll see y'all guys later, because I don't know what's gonna happen for today. I'll see you. Well, I'm back. It's another sale. So same day here, and this is going out, which is a vintage Carol Lock and Roll 24 hot spiral hair curler. I don't know exactly what it is, but I'll show you a picture. I already have it boxed up from when I got it. I had this for I'm not sure, let me check here, since March, so it's finally sold. So yeah, about 2 months. And I picked this up at a Goodwill, not too far from me, when I had a little Goodwill thrift haul that day. But picked this up for $5, and it sold for $29.95. I mean $29.99 plus the buyer pay shipping, which is I think about $10.90. So with all that, it's about I think it was $22 or $23 profit from that. But the two-month hold, but it's going out. So I'm hoping some of the stuff that I got old, I've been had, starting to surface around and get out. I don't know, but anyways, anything else comes up, I'll let y'all know. I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, good evening. It was May 22nd. Had a lot of running around to do, but finally home and able to do this. So today I went and picked up some things from the auction that I won actually like 2 days ago, but today was a good enough time for me to be able to pick it up. But the things that I have here is a vintage balance scale with the white plates. Let me go ahead and show y'all it right now. This is it right here. Nice little scale, old vintage. And I picked this up here for $19.13. And I believe these are on eBay selling at least, I think, between $40 and maybe $60, maybe more. I don't know, I forgot, I had to check again. But this is one of the items that I got, and also it came with some caliber weights. So it's not all of them in here, but I'm pretty sure somebody will still buy it, just because of the wood. And the next thing here is a Acro Print electric time clock. So this is missing the key, as it says in the description. But it says works well, and I forgot again what was this selling for, but I got this for $11.96. So I think it might have been on eBay selling probably between $30 and $40 maybe. So I have to check back with that. But other than that, these are the two things that I got for the auction. Got more stuff that I'm bidded on, but none of those auctions end until the next few days, about 4 or 5 days. So other than that, nope, didn't make any sales today. Had no potentials, but it wasn't nothing solid. So right now it's the evening. I'm finally being able to do a little bit of work. So I'm going ahead and list a few things. Right now I'm listing those ashtrays finally. I got one listed up, so I'm about to do a couple more. So after that, it depends on how the night is. I may list these two things I got today or not, maybe tomorrow. I don't know, one of the two. Depends. So I mean, the thing is, I got things to list. So that's the beauty of it. So I guess whenever I get time to get to the other stuff, I get to it. But that's it for me for the day. But I rolled past actually today Goodwill. One of the Goodwills that I went to before, and packed with cars in the driveway. I mean the parking lot. So I might have to try to make a trip up there maybe tomorrow. I don't know, but if so, I'll let y'all guys know. But until then, I'm going ahead and get to work, and I will see you guys later. Stay tuned for life and all that good stuff, and everything will be all right. All right, y'all. Peace.